Mr. President, I present this as a matter of urgent public importance on the state of affairs in the Supreme Court of Nigeria and the demand by justices of the court. The Senate recalls that on Tuesday, 21st June 2022, the President of the Senate, His Excellency Senator Ahmad Lawan, PhD, CON, drew the attention of Senate to the media report on the state of affairs in the Supreme Court of Nigeria, whereby justices of the court, through a petition signed by majority of them, raised issues bordering on deplorable welfare conditions and difficult working environment for the justices, which was addressed to the Honorable, the Chief Justice of Nigeria and Chairman, National Judicial Council. The Senate notes that the President of the Senate had emphasized the need for the Senate to urgently step into the matter, as any issue that concerns the judiciary is an issue of urgent national importance that the Senate cannot afford to sit idly by and allow to spiral out of control. The Senate also notes that poor welfare of judicial officers would affect the delivery of the judiciary in respect of their output and will prevent them from performing optimally. The Senate observes that the sacred image of the judiciary, which is the epicenter of the temple of justice, should be preserved by the Senate through appropriate legislative measures in order to safeguard this highly revered institution and prevent it from being ridiculed. Accordingly, the President of the Senate directed the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters to get involved in the matter with a view to unraveling the root cause of the recent development in the judiciary and how best the Senate can intervene in order to address the concerns raised by the justices. The Senate observes also that justices are taciturn and reticent in handling issues outside their judicial domain, but resorting to such measures in order to protect the judiciary require the Senate to rise up to the occasion to ensure that their demands are addressed. The Senate further observes that the committee is taking steps to look into the matter as directed by the President of the Senate by making arrangements to interface with relevant stakeholders, both at the bar and on the bench. The Senate regrets that the Honorable, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad, on Sunday, 21st June 2022, voluntarily resigned his appointment on grounds of ill health, leaving the most senior justice to act as the acting justice of Nigeria. However, this development will not prevent the committee from going ahead with its assignment in the quest to find a probable lasting solution to the matter. The Senate observes further that even though Honorable Justice Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad has stepped down as CJN, most of the issues raised by the justices of the Supreme Court and other stakeholders within the judiciary still remain and need to be addressed urgently to prevent an eventual shutdown of the judiciary. The Senate accordingly resolves to mandate the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters to go ahead with its assignment in the quest to find a lasting solution to the matter by interacting with relevant stakeholders to look into the complaints raised in the petition by the Justice of the Supreme Court. Mandate the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters to interface with the relevant stakeholders in the three arms of government and collate aggregate views and positions on the short-term medium-term, and long-term measures needed to decisively address the crisis facing the judiciary, including the immediate fiscal intervention, as well as long-term and sustainable budgetary allocations required for the optimal performance of the judiciary in line with global best practices, and urge the Senate to wish the Honorable Chief Justice well, following many years of meritorious service to the nation, and to pray for his good health. Mr. President, I so move.
Deputy Chief Whip.
Thank you, Mr. President. Distinguished colleagues.
In favor of prayer 2 as amended, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Urge the Senate to wish the Honorable Chief Justice well, following many years of meritorious service to the nation, and to pray for his good health. Those in favor of prayer 3, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Distinguished colleagues, thank you very much for this, but I can see most of the emphasis here is on funding. When we look into the issues, I suggest that we go beyond funding alone. We should look at other areas, whether there is need to improve on the structures or other issues that may not be totally about funding. But funding, of course, is a major issue. But I think we should also look at other areas. Thank you very much. Leader of the Senate.